guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes, into another weekly vlog. Today is Monday, May 3rd, and I am on my way to work. So this week I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7 to 7, and Thursday, 7 to 3, and then I'm off for 5 days. So this is my longer week of work, but then I get the benefit of the 5 days off, which is awesome. Yesterday, Seamus was building a little steel shed in our backyard, and I helped because it was really, well, it wasn't really windy, it was just too windy to do this with one person. Anyway, so I helped him with that, and I can insert a little clip of us doing that here. I think we did a good job. I'll show you the after picture here. Keep on watching. I'm going to try to make this vlog a little bit more interesting than last time, so I will see you later. Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I worked all day and now I am home, had supper, and just cleaning up the house a little bit and putting away the dishes. Nothing exciting planned for tonight. I'm really tired, so I might go to bed early. So I've started watching the show Ginny and Georgia, and I really like it, so I might watch a couple episodes of that and then go to bed early. And then tomorrow I have another shift, which is another 7 to 7 shift. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything after work again. I do have to put in a grocery order tonight, hopefully online. The last time I tried to do an online grocery order, it was like the site was frozen. I've been finding it hard to get a time slot for the online grocery pickup. I think because of the increase in cases, all the slots are being booked up. So I'm hoping to be able to get a slot for pickup tomorrow after work. And then I don't have to go into the grocery store. So that'd be great. I'm gonna do my grocery order, watch some Netflix, and then probably go to bed early because I am extremely tired. Back in the car. It is Wednesday. Just finished up my shift at work, and I'm on the way to the grocery store to do my grocery pickup. Does anyone else find that when you do the online grocery order, you're less likely to buy a lot of junk food? That's a good pro of not going in. You don't see all the new things. Anyways, might take Chip for a walk when I get home and have some supper. I don't have to do any baking until tomorrow night, so I have another free evening. Also have to wash my hair. Everybody out there with thick hair, I can go a whole week without washing my hair. Some people find that gross, but I've trained my hair by going 3 days, 4 days without washing it. Now I can go a whole week without washing it. So I think that's great. Anyways, I have to wash it tonight. Hey guys, it is Thursday and I got off work a few minutes ago. Had to run in the bulk barn to get some cake boxes for my cake stuff, and I'm just going in Canadian Tire. I need a few things now. My friend Jenna is having a baby, and originally before lockdown we were supposed to have a baby shower for her for work because we both work at the same place, but obviously that got canceled because of the lockdown, so I feel bad that we can't do anything for her, so we are getting her a gift card, and I got a few treats to put in a basket, and I'm just going in Canadian Tire because I need a few things. But they recently got this Party City section where you can get balloons and stuff, so I'm going to get a couple balloons, I think, and then I'm going to do a doorstep drop off tomorrow and drop off a little basket of stuff and some balloons. Okay, so I've been home from Canadian Tire, showered. I put the balloons downstairs because Chip was kind of freaking out, so I put those downstairs, but I'll insert a video here of what they look like. Then I got some treats that she likes and put them in this little bin, and I'm going to drop them off tomorrow to her, so I can probably show you a little bit of that tomorrow, but right now I just have a pot of chili on, and I'm going to cut up a pepper and throw that in too. Eating by myself tonight because Seamus had to run into Canadian Tire. So I'm gonna watch a show on Netflix while I eat my chili. Hey guys, it's Friday. This morning Seamus and I cleaned the house, and then I started baking and working on a YouTube video I have for Sunday that you would have already seen. I got a couple Amazon baking gadgets and I'm testing them out, and I'm gonna let you know what I think of them. So I baked some lemon blueberry cakes and cupcakes to test out the gadgets that I bought. So if you're interested in that, go check out that video. So Dr. Strang and the Premier did an update today. We learned that we had over 200 cases of COVID in the province. We are going into official quarantine starting tomorrow. Starting tomorrow, most businesses are closed except groceries and essential things. We're gonna go over to Jenna's tonight to have supper outdoors, 6 feet apart. So don't come at me in the comments. We are gonna go over to Jenna's tonight and bring over the balloons and stuff. She doesn't know I have the balloons, so going into quarantine is a little stressful as her being a pregnant person, and I feel really bad because she can only have one support person in the hospital when she goes into labor, so I'm sure she's really stressed out. I'm hoping that the stuff that we bring over will take her mind off of the current situation in the province. But I just wanted to mostly just drop off this stuff to her because I think she'll like it. I used the money that we collected from the girls at work, and I made this little basket of treats and stuff, and I have a card here that I'm gonna get a gift card for, and the balloons. And Seamus and I are gonna bring takeout over to eat outside. So hopefully they like that. Hey guys, I didn't vlog the last 2 days because I was baking and filming another YouTube video. The YouTube video I filmed is trying Amazon baking gadgets, and I will link that above here or down in the description box if you want to go check that out. And today is the last day of the weekly vlog. It is also Mother's Day. Obviously here in Nova Scotia we are on lockdown, quarantine, not allowed to go anywhere. So we're not allowed to go visit our moms in their houses, but we're gonna go do doorstep drop-off. So I made lemon blueberry cupcakes the other day, so I made extra, and I'm gonna give some to my mom and Seamus's mom. And then I got plants. I personally like to give plants because they'll last longer than flowers. So this one is for Seamus's mom. I got it at Sobeys. I thought that the color was cute. And then this plant I actually got at Sobeys too. The pot I actually painted myself. My friend Jenna and Megan and I actually went to one of those pottery places where you paint something and then you pick it up a few days later after they put it in the oven. So I painted this pot for my mom and just popped a plant in it from Sobeys. And then we have their cards. So I'm gonna put that over by the door. And then when we go do our window visits, it'll be all ready. I think Seamus and I, maybe Chip too, are gonna go for a drive. We're gonna pack up the truck and go for a little drive because there's not much else you can do in lockdown. Hey guys, I'm on the way back to my mom and dad's right now. We were there earlier and did a doorstep drop-off of her Mother's Day present. My mom said she was in the middle of making bread at the time, and now the bread is done. So I'm on the way back to pick up the bread. My parents have a window in their dining room, and that's where we stand and chat to have our window visits. So it's kind of like a little drive-up window. So I'm just gonna pick up my bread and go home for the evening. I was gonna make meatballs for supper, but Seamus and I ended up getting something out. So I'm gonna make the meatballs tonight and cook them for supper tomorrow. It's still bright outside. It's 7:53 and it's still sunny. So I'm enjoying the longer days, and I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.